Hey everyone, we're up to Thursday of week 3. Can you believe it? Time is flying, but it's been so great to see how each of you have been active on the discussion boards. You've been sharing your views on the different theories, and I think it's been so good. As much as it's really theory heavy, it's really enabled you to develop a critical gaze and to really work out, well, where do you sit on the play-based learning um, line as such? Where do you sit with some of these theories? Do you agree with them? Do you not? And so you've really been able to create a real critical gaze, which is really important in teaching. So this week we are asking you to look at the differences between the classical theories from last week and the developmental theories in this week. And it's a little bit quieter this week, so I wanted to hop on and go, if you haven't already, it would be so valuable for everybody to see what you can find out. This, I really believe the more that you contribute to discussion boards, the more you're going to get out of it, and everyone gets out of it. So if you have not yet contributed, please don't be scared, but hop online and share your ideas. And your thoughts for this week. Also, just another reminder is that tonight we have our first of the live collab sessions. That will be at 7:30 p.m. and it will be run by Amanda, myself, and Jade. And that will be a really great way to go through this assessment and to make sure you're really on track and ask some questions. And then next week, next Tuesday night, it's going to be Jennifer and Kate who are running that one. So if you can't make one, try and make the other. And if you can't make either of them for varying reasons, then I really encourage you to listen to the collab recording. And if you haven't yet, listen to Kate's Flip Collab. It's fantastic, a wealth of information. But looking forward to seeing you tonight. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.